How to fix data_bus_error code in Windows. 1. Update or fix video card drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 2. Check RAM with the Windows Memory Diagnostic. For advanced users, look at the system log of the event viewer. 3. Run a disk scan. chkdskc/f/r/x, and disk cleanup, as admin. 4. Run a system file checker scan. Commands include, dism.exe/online/cleanup image/restore help sfc/scan05. Update Windows. 6. Remove or plug and unplug recently installed hardware from RAM to disk. And get rid of any recently installed applications using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide. 7. Restore Windows to an earlier date, if you can. 8. Update BIOS. 9. Clear potential malware from your system using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 10. Repair the master boot record, MBR, in Windows Safe Mode. Command include, botrek.exe/fix plan B, botrek.exe/rebuild, needed/export/c:\bcd backup c, cd bootatrip bcd shrn/c:\boot/bcd/bcd.old botrek.exe/rebuild, plan C, fix MBR issues in Windows using gparted lib. 11. Use Windows Blue Screen Troubleshooter.